This sweet fruit is packed with hidden health compounds. Scientists are taking a closer look at monk fruit and discovering it is more than just a sugar substitute. New research shows its peel and pulp contain a rich mix of antioxidants and bioactive compounds that may support health. Different varieties offer different chemical profiles, hinting at unique benefits. The work could shape how monk fruit is used in future foods and supplements. Monk fruit has a hidden health power. Monk fruit is revealing a hidden side, packed with antioxidants and plant compounds that interact with important health pathways. Researchers say different varieties may offer distinct benefits beyond natural sweetness. Luohangua, Ciratia grovanore, more commonly known as monk fruit, is a long-living vine that belongs to the gourd family, the same plant group as cucumbers and squash. It is native to southern China, where it has been used for centuries in traditional foods and remedies. In recent years, monk fruit has drawn modern scientific attention because it contains high levels of Antioxidants are substances that help protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals, which are linked to aging and many chronic diseases. New findings published in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture take a closer look at what makes this fruit biologically active. The research focuses on the specific chemical compounds inside Luohangua and how they may support health. The compounds inside monk fruit. One of the most important features of Luohangua is its abundance of what scientists call secondary metabolites. These are natural plant chemicals that are not required for basic growth, but often play a role in defense, color, flavor, and health effects in humans. In this case, researchers concentrated on three major groups: terpenoids, flavonoids, and amino acids. Terpenoids are compounds commonly found in plants that can have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids are another large class of plant compounds, known for their ability to neutralize free radicals and support heart and metabolic health. Amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, are essential for many processes in the body, including tissue repair and immune function. The scientists examined both the peel and the pulp of 4 different Luohangua varieties. By doing so, they were able to identify where these compounds are concentrated and how they behave biologically.